Good morning, Standard 5. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine. So, children, always during this pandemic, stay at home and maintain the cleanliness and hygiene, children. So, children, today I am going to give you the introduction of decimals. So, here, children, all of you see that in case of decimals, let us start with the example. For example, ones, tens. Okay, this is the ones place, this is tens place, and this is the hundred place. So here, this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. Whenever I am going from ones place to tens place, I need to multiply with 10. Again, when I want to go from tens to hundred place, I need to multiply by 10 again. As we go from right to left, it becomes 10 times bigger. It becomes 10 times bigger number. So here the place value, as we move from right to left, each place value becomes 10 times bigger than. Okay. Now see what happened. If we move from left to right. Okay. So when I want to go from right to, this is left to right, now I have to divide by 10. When I am dividing by 10, I will go to tens place. As I want to go from tens to ones place, again I have to divide by 10. Okay. So here we see that when we are going from left to right, it becomes 10 times smaller. Okay. So as I am moving from left to right, the place value of the digits becomes 10 times smaller. Okay. When I want to go from this ones place to this place, that is towards right. So when I am moving further toward the right, then what I will do? So again I will divide by 10. Okay. So this will become then 1 by 10. Again I am moving further towards right. Then again I will divide with 10. Then what will become? This 110 will be divided by 10. Then it becomes 1 by 100. Okay. Now all of you see. Here all of you see that this ones place to tens place to hundred place, when I am moving from right to left, I used to multiply by 10. So each place value, when it is ones, from ones we are going to 10, then it becomes 10 times bigger. And when from 10 I want to go to 100, so again I have to multiply 10, it becomes 10 times bigger. When I am going from right to left, the digits, the value of the number becomes 10 times bigger. But now, when I want to go from left to right, then what I will have to do? I will divide by 10. Then I will go to the tens place. Again I divide by 10. I go to the ones place. What happened? If I want to move further towards right, so what I will have to do? I will have to divide by 10. Now this 1 becomes 1 by 10. Now this 1 by 10, again I want to move further towards right. This 1 by 10 again divided by 10, it becomes 1 by 100. So here as I am moving from left to right, the value of the digit, the value of the place becomes smaller and smaller. So how smaller? Each place value. When I am jumping from left to right, the value of each place value becomes 10 times smaller. Value of each place value becomes 10 times smaller. Right? Similarly, in each step, I am moving one column towards right, the value of each place becomes 10 times smaller. So here from big to small, when I jump from 100 to tens, it becomes 10 times smaller. When I going from 10 to ones, it becomes 10 times smaller, means divided by 10. Again ones, when it is divided by 10, we move to 1 by 10. Again 1 by 10, when it is divided by 10, it moves to 1 by 100. Now let us see. Now here ones, tens, 100. Now all of you see. For example, 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. It means how you will read it? What is the, let us understand this 1/10 and 100 with the help of the example. Okay, for example, it is 423. Okay, so how you will read it? It is 400. This is 2 tens and this is 3 ones. So for example, 400, 2 tens, 3 ones. So this 3 represents 3 small cookies. Okay, now this 2, it is 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 sets of 10 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2 set of 10 cookies. Now it is 400. 400 means the jar which is having the 100 set of cookies. 4 jars. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 100 set of cookies. 100, 100, 100, 100. So 4 times of 100 set of cookies. So thus this picture represents 423. So what you will read it? How you will read it? It is 423. Now all of you see. Now here this come to this 3. In 3 there are 3 cookies, 1, 2 and 3. Now we take this one cookie. Now this one cookie I have to divide into 10 equal parts. Okay, this is I have to divide this one cookie in 10 equal parts. Here it is 400 cookie, 20 cookie and 3 cookies. Now I am going to share this one cookie among 10 friends. So I have to divide this one cookie into 10 equal parts. Okay. So here all of you see. When I am going to divide a cookie in 10 equal parts. So when I am going to divide this single cookie. So all of you see. This is the single cookie. Now I am going to divide in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And each part values is this 1 by 10. Each part represents this 1 by 10. How many part this one cookie is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one part is 1, 10. Okay. So for example here 423. So here one cookie from 3 ones is divided into 10 equal parts. So this 1 by 10 will go from this left to right, we move from this to left to right. Now here this, when one out of 3, it is divided into 10 equal parts, and this one part it will become here. This one part will come here. Okay. Now here all of you see. Now all of you see. In between 4, 20 to 4, 30. So how many numbers are there? 10 numbers are there. So here I am going to divide this. This is 420 and this is 430. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means it is 421, 422, 423, 424, 425, 426, 427, 428, 429, 430. Here I have to show the number is 423. So where is 423? It is here. This is 423, right? This is 423. Okay. This is 423, and in between 423 and 424. Again I am going to divide in between 423 to 424 in 10 equal parts. So let's see what I will do. Firstly, all of you see this 420 to 430. It is, there are 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in between the two numbers 423 and 424. So what we will do? So I am going to divide this 423 and 424 in 10 equal parts. Okay. Now here all of you see. So this 423, this is the 423. Now, and this is 424. Now I am going to divide it in 10 equal parts. In between 423 and 424, I divide it in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this 10. So here all of you see that said when this I have further divided this 423 and 424 in 10 equal parts, right? So it is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this 7, this 8, this 9 and this is 10. And each part represents what? 1 by 10. Each part represents 1 by 10. Okay. So how we will write? 423 plus this one part, it is 1 by 10. Right. So this 1 by 10, this I have written 423 in a place value chart. But where I will write 1 by 10? So 1 by 10 will be written towards the right of these ones. Okay. Now let us see. Let us see. So here all of you see that how I am going to represent this number. This 4, 2, 3 and 1. How I am going to represent it? So here this 1, what is the place value of this 1? Is it ones or is it tenth? What is the place value? What is the place value in between this ones? Whether it is ones place or it is tenth place. So let us see. All of you see that this value of this one is, place value is 1 by 10. So here we see that when we are going to represent this 4, 2, 3 and 1. So this 1, is at the ones place or tenth place. So here all of you see how I am going to write it. So here we see that how we will represent this one. It is either ones place or either 1/10th place. So in order to represent this digit, I have to put here this dot. So as this I have put this dot, then this place value of this 1 will be 10th. Okay, and this place value of 3 is ones. And place value of this 2 is tenths. And place value of 4 is hundreds. Okay. So here this 1 means 1/10th. Right. So all of you see here. Now whenever I am going to represent the decimal number, I have to put a dot here. This dot is called decimal point. This dot is called decimal point. And after this decimal, towards the right, the number which represents the 10th place. The place of this is a 10th, and I used to represent it with the help of small t. Okay. So now this is O for ones, T for tenths, and H for 100. And this small t, it represents the 10th place. Okay. So what is the value of this? The value of this is 1/10th. So this is 10th. This is 10th. T-E-N-T-H. Now next question is how I will read this number. So I will read it 423.1. This is the 10th place. So how I will read it? 423.1. So here how I will represent it? This is 4 into 100 plus what is the value of this? 2 into 10 plus what is the value of this? Plus 3 into 1, and then what is the value of this? Plus 1 into 1/10. Okay. Now let us see. So here all of you see. This is 423 and this is 424. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is 1/10. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. So it is 1/10, this is 2/10, this is 3/10, this is 4/10, this is 5/10, this is 6 out of 10, this is 7 out of 10 part, this is 8 out of 10 part, this is 9 out of 10 part. Now when I am going to take this one, when I am going to take up to this, so how I will write? 423 2/10. When I am going to take this 4/10, how I will write it? 423 4/10. In the 10th place, it will be replaced by 4. Now, when I am going to take this 2/10, then this at 10th place, it will be present by 2. When I am going to take this 6/10, so what is the value? 423 6/10. Now here in the decimal part, in the 10th place, it will become 6. Now at the 8/10, so this at the 10th place, 423 8/10. The value of this 10th place will be 8. Now this is the 9/10. What happened when it will be 10/10? 10/10 means it is 1. And this 423 will be added with 1. It becomes 424. So when it comes to 9, it is 423. But again, when I am moving further towards right, that is again adding 0.1, then what happened? This 9.9 plus 0.1, it becomes 10. Okay, this is 1.0. So what happened here at the decimal part, it will become 0 and 3 will convert it into 4 and then 2, then 4. Now it means when I am moving further towards right, that it becomes 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. Then at the 10th place it will become 0, 9 will be converted into 0 and 3 will become 4. So here the place value of the digit will be changed. It becomes 424. Okay, now here. So in this way we can represent this decimal part and decimal point in a number line. Okay, so here all of you say, after the ones place towards the, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, but towards right, after the ones place, here this towards right, it becomes 10th. Then again when I am moving forward, it becomes 100. Always represent this decimal part, and before the 10th there will be a decimal point. Whenever I am going to represent this 10th part and 100th part, we use this decimal point. So in this way children, you have to write the decimal number. Okay. For the fraction, decimal fraction, for example 7 by 10, how you will going to represent it? So this is the number line. Okay. Number line, right? So this is a 1. This is 1. So this 1 you have to divide in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to represent, firstly give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. What is 7 by 10? It means you have to move, this is the 7. It means 7 out of 10. So 7 by 10 means 7 out of 10. It means 7 is divided by 10. Right? So how you will represent it in the form of decimal? It is the 7/10. It is the 7/10. So 7, when 7 is divided by 10, we represent this number by the decimal, and since it is one digit and the 10 is there, so I will write it here 0.7. So decimal point and 7. In this way children, you have to show the decimal number and you have to understand it. What is the difference between the decimal number and the whole number? Okay. So I think you have understood this concept of decimal. Till then, goodbye, Shabba Khair.